you ready to start a new chapter in the New Zealand with 8 lakh job vacancies in 2024? The opportunities are here endless. They are calling your name. Whether you are a skilled professional or ready to roll up your sleeves, there's job waiting for you. Imagine earning 31 an hour, around 97,300 a year, while enjoying one of the most breathtaking countries in the world. From each to teaching to engineering to hospitality, there's a place for everyone in New Zealand. For those who are here, I am here to help you to save money and navigate immigration without needing lawyer agents or lawyers. So why is New Zealand facing a massive about labor shortage? Let me break it down for you. 1. There's a strict border closure during the health immigration for 2 years. This cut off the normal flow of skilled and unskilled workers. Number 2. And many existing immigrant workers left during the uncertainty and haven't returned. The result is hoping 8 lakh vacant positions just waiting to be filled. And here's the best part, they are open to international workers like you. Now let's talk about what jobs are in demand. Whether you are tech guru ready for the next, there was something for everyone. Skilled jobs for software developers, healthcare, engineers and teachers. Unskilled jobs hospitality staff, truck drivers, factory workers and food pickers. No matter your skill, New Zealand needs you and they are making easier than ever to get started. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. For landing your dream, number 1, find relevant jobs. Head to a platform like careers.government.newzealand and seek.com.newzealand to explore opportunities tailored to your skills. Look for roles on the green list. They always are in high demand. Number 2, update your CV and cover letter. Kiwi employers love living seeing results. Highlights your experience with the facts and number and achievements. Number 3, apply directly. Use quick apply tools to streamline on platforms like seek.com.newzealand. Number 4, contact recruiters. Did you know 60% of the jobs aren't even advertised? Reach out to the accredited agencies to uncover hidden jobs. Once you secure a job offer, the next step is your work visa. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Cost around $750. Processing time 4 to 8 weeks. Visa type essential skills visa, works resident visa and more. Many employers can assist with the visa application or cost you. How awesome is that? Why New Zealand? It's more than just a job. It's a lifestyle you enjoy. Competitive salaries, low living costs, and a country bursting with the natural beauty and opportunities. New Zealand is a place where you can thrive professionally and personally. So what are you waiting for? With 8 lakh jobs vacancies, now it's time to make your dream of living, working in New Zealand or